Unlock financial independence with the Military Women's Guide to Making Money Online. For active U.S. military and reservists, this guide offers a lifeline to stretch your paycheck further. Dive into the world of online business, whether it's a part-time side hustle or a full-time career, allowing you to take control of your schedule and financial destiny. Military spouses face unique challenges with frequent relocations, but a portable online business becomes your constant, providing stability and growth. For veterans and post-military individuals seeking a seamless transition into retirement, the guide introduces the freedom and flexibility of an online venture. Discover the right online business that aligns with your personality, lifestyle, and financial goals, ensuring a fulfilling and rewarding journey. Start earning extra income while serving, grow it with the security of your military paycheck, and seamlessly step into a full-time job post-service. Don't just dream of financial freedom, achieve it with the Military Women's Guide to Making Money Online. Visit earnwhileyouserve.com/books now to embark on your path to financial success. Seize this opportunity and shape your future today.